to our Seashell channel. I'm Mary Rivera Messina from Philippines. I'm your Seashell florist artist for today. I'm creating seashells art for 25 years now. Please support handicraft industry in Philippines. We can customize any design you want. Just send a message. And for today, DIY, we will create this beautiful seashell flower arrangement like this.
Hi, I'm Grace, your virtual instructor for today's DIY. Tools needed: wire cutter, scissor, cutter, styro ball, masking tape, glue gun and glue stick, floral wire, floral tape, white glue and sand. Distorsio Reculata, Pearlized Batad, Violet Matra, Bubbles shell, and bear conch. Glue the bear conch shell into the bottom of Distorsio Reculata. Cut the styro ball on your desired size that fit inside the shell. Tape the artificial flower stamen into the tip of the wire. Glue the Violet Matra around the wire. Glue the pairs of Violet Matra into the wire. Cut the wire on your desired length. Glue together 3 Violet Matra, then glue it into the wire. Glue the bubble shell into the tip of the wire. Tape the wired bubbles using Floral Tape into other wire. Feel free to arrange the seashell flower and stem. And we are done. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoy me as your virtual instructor for today. See you again in our next seashell DIY. Please like, share and subscribe. Comment below your request DIY. Take care everyone from me, Grace and Mary. Love lots. Stay creative.